wait. I can't wait. Right? Oh my God, you made my day. I feel like a slut. Oh honey, we need more than coffee. Darling. I'm not going anywhere, by the way. So I'm here. So he's going back to, and I'm gonna be here. Yeah. Oh, all good. What? It doesn't matter. You know, we easy. I'm very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Just one button. I'm just open everything. I know. I'm one of those sluts. Calm down. It's all right. All you need to focus on is 40 other days. Oh,
and then, of course, Oleg, we've got full board, so minibar, and according to preference, okay, any type of milk or snack or drink, beverage, we'll pop it in here.
Some minibar as well?
Yes, of
yeah,
course.
it's all drinks are all included.
Yeah.
Super.
So $3,000, everything included.
Game drive,
2 game drives.
a la carte dinners,
That's it.
al fresco dinners, guest experience, or bush stops.
Ooh la la.
Yeah, bush dinner.
Come on in, darling. How are you? Good, thank you.
Yeah, it's just taking video.
Just video. That's okay. You can come on in. It's very
Yeah.
different, isn't it?
This is just one of the rooms, Oleg. Let me go and show you our
Public area.
public area. Yes.
Just so my room, don't worry. So does Fana. So just all you need to focus on is all the ladies. So they are the one who Asian will be focused. You know what I mean?
You are our guest. All right.
Look at this cute little mini bar. So colorful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this cuppa. All the mini bar. Coffee station, tea station. Ginger and lemon for your tea. So famous artist name called Tapazwa Tigers is a Zimbabwean artist. Sorry.
Yeah. Perfect.
You have share game drive or
Yes, this is a shared game drive because unless if you book 6 whole individual unit, all of them, then it could be private. So there's a 2 vehicle to share for this water side because of 6 bedroom.
I'm sure it would also be possible to book a private
So
vehicle.
if you want to have a private, so you can additional charges, you can book for private. So that's entrance. So that's the general manager Wayne. So for the this Wayne, this is online.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, not bad, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Good. Fulfilling. Put that in the YouTube channel. Isn't it beautiful? So this is the center for the whole this area for minibar area. Not minibar, I mean it's a really huge bar. So that's where all the gathering happening.
Heart of resort.
Sorry?
Heart of resort. Heart.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Absolutely.
So beautiful living room. Look at this tinted silhouette of this whole canvas, which makes it so beautiful. Again, another Tapas Watikas artwork.
It's your room?
I know. Storeroom.
JM Motors.
Just that. There you go.
Right, Oleg, we've got one of my favorite rooms I'd love to show you. It's much different.
Just 1 second.
So this is the dining room.
Uh-huh.
Again, very vibrant color, beautiful artwork. And this is another bar area for Am I? Good. Thank you. Thank you. So this is an outdoor dining space, and of course the pool is all heated. So ladies just put that in the couches cover. So Oleg, down there is that's where actually pool lounges are located. So that's a fire pit where people just gather drinks and all. How are you? Good. You can walk down. Again, when it's rainy season, so this area becoming water park.
Or elephant.
Yeah. A striking color, isn't it? Another romantic area over there, so if anyone wants to have some romantic setup. So again, pizza
Mhm.
oven,
Okay, so-
barbecue area.
One
Your
more room. Yes.
room where you stay, right?
Oh, absolutely. Room 3. Absolute fabulous. Thank you. So we've got 2 rooms on the right and then 4 rooms going out on this side of the lodge. What won't be done by the 1st of June is our wellness center. It's our gym and sauna. It's going to be very futuristic. We're going to have the ice, the plunge pool, and we're going to have sauna, and then we're going to have very big spa with, I think it's almost 2 or 3 treatment rooms.
Yes.
Got a very long pathway, and this just allows for even more space and privacy between the rooms. And here you see we're still working, but this is going to be the sheer size of our spa and our gym. And we're going to go to the right to room 3. Each room you can see has a different facade, different door, different little character to it. What is this?
Wow. This
Right.
stripe is striking.
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 Oh.
Love that honest color. That's a honest color.
Yes.
Yeah, the famous fashion brand Hermes.
Oh, Hermes. No, this
Yeah,
is,
so
yeah.
that's
This
the
is
color.
Hermes. I was thinking about getting it over here. This is
Isn't it striking? Beautiful. I wonder what.
This is my favorite. So Oleg, you can see the pool is more center.
Mhm.
Each
Yeah.
room is different. It just creates more space. And then this is what I meant with each room being its own little character. Each room is different stripes, a different pop of color as we go.
Oh, Ellie is the stay in this room. Ellie. And who else stay in the other room?
Who is she wants to be on?
Ellie is a main girl.
Is she the main?
I
Okay.
think so. I don't know. I might be wrong. Ellie. Ellie.
That's not an
Maybe that's wrong spelling, but I'm not too sure. But Ellie. That's why. Ellie. So obviously they should have been
Yeah, I'll have him fix it. Sure.
like this. Maybe like that. What do you think? So EL2, like maybe large. Yeah. Or can only be like that. So. Beautiful room. Gorgeous. I love this whole glass in the front. Everything like it's just so stunning. Today is warm.